Let me ask you something real quick. Do you actually believe your body is slowly falling apart? That aging means damage? That once something goes wrong, it's permanent? Because if that's what you've been told, you've been lied to. And here's the shocking part. Right now, literally right now, as you're watching this, your body is repairing itself. Old cells are being removed. New cells are being created. Damaged tissue is being replaced. And most people have no idea this is happening. But here's where it gets scary. If your body is built to repair itself, why do so many people feel worse every single year? Stay with me, because the answer might change how you look at food forever. Most people think aging is like rust. Once it starts, it never stops. But biology tells a very different story. Your skin, it renews itself roughly every month. Your gut lining, every few days. Your red blood cells, every few months. Even your bones, yes, your bones are constantly breaking down and rebuilding. So when people feel more tired, more inflamed, more foggy, more weak year after year, it's usually not because the body gave up. Here's the truth most people never hear. The repair shop is open, the mechanics are there, the instruction manual is ready, but the parts never arrive. And when the parts don't arrive, the repair doesn't happen. And this is where today's video takes a powerful turn. Your body doesn't repair itself with motivation or supplements with fancy labels or extreme diets. It repairs itself with raw materials, specific nutrients, in specific forms, consumed consistently. And believe it or not, some of the most powerful repair-supporting foods are ordinary, affordable, and sitting in grocery stores everywhere. No hype, no trends, decades of real science. And the first one was blamed for problems it never caused. This is where things get interesting. Let's talk about eggs. Yes, eggs. One of the most misunderstood foods in modern nutrition. In science, eggs are used as a reference protein. That means other proteins are compared to them to see how complete they are. Why does that matter? Because protein is the foundation of repair. Your muscles, protein. Your organs, protein. Your enzymes, hormones, immune cells, all protein-based. Every single day, your body breaks down old, damaged proteins and replaces them with new ones. But here's the problem. As people age, protein intake usually drops and repair slows down. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids in ratios your body can actually use efficiently. That's why egg protein has one of the highest biological values ever measured. But wait, this is where most people mess up. They throw away the most powerful part, the yolk, the part people were told to fear. Here's the truth. Removing the yolk removes more than half the nutrition. The yolk contains vitamin A for skin and immune health, vitamin D for bones and immunity, vitamin E for antioxidant protection, vitamin B12 for nerves and blood. And then there's choline. Most people have never even heard of it. Choline is essential for brain cell membranes, neurotransmitter production, memory, learning, and liver fat metabolism. And here's the shocking part. Research shows most adults don't get enough choline. Low intake is linked to fatty liver changes, poor nerve signaling, and cognitive decline. Egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources of choline on Earth. And no, eggs don't clog your arteries. Modern research shows that for most healthy people, dietary cholesterol from eggs does not increase heart disease risk. Your liver makes cholesterol because your body needs it. Eggs don't break your body. They give it tools to rebuild, and the next food, it decides how well those tools are used. If eggs provide the building blocks, Greek yogurt and kefir control the system because repair doesn't start in your muscles or your joints, it starts in your gut. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms. Together, they influence your immune system, inflammation levels, nutrient absorption, even brain signaling. Over 70% of your immune system lives in or around your gut. When the gut is off, everything feels off. Fatigue, brain fog, digestive issues, constant inflammation. Greek yogurt and kefir contain live beneficial bacteria that help strengthen the gut lining, reduce permeability, and improve nutrient absorption. And this matters more than people realize because inflammation slows repair everywhere in the body. Lower inflammation, faster repair, better recovery, clearer thinking. And there's another bonus. Greek yogurt is high in slow digesting protein, which supports muscle repair over time, especially important as we age. But here's the warning most people miss. If it's loaded with added sugar, the benefits disappear. Always choose plain, unsweetened. And now we reach the most underestimated food of all. Bananas don't look impressive, but biologically, they're powerful. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral critical for muscle contraction, nerve signaling, heart rhythm, and fluid balance. Many adults don't get enough potassium, and when levels drop, the body feels it. Cramps, weakness, fatigue, irregular heart sensations. Bananas also provide fast, usable energy. When paired with protein or fat, they help stabilize blood sugar instead of spiking it. And here's the part most people don't know. Bananas contain prebiotic fiber. That means they feed the good gut bacteria, supporting digestion, mineral absorption, and long-term repair. They don't just fuel you, they support the system that controls healing. Here's the bigger picture. Eggs provide the building materials, yogurt optimizes absorption and immune control. Bananas support nerves, muscles, and energy balance. Together, they create an environment where repair can actually happen. This isn't a diet, it's biological support. This is how the human body is designed to work. And here's the most important thing to remember. Your body isn't broken, it's intelligent, adaptive, always trying to heal, but it can only work with what you give it. Food isn't just calories, it's information, signals that tell your body whether to repair or struggle. Simple foods, science-backed support, real repair, and once you understand that, you'll never look at aging the same way again.